Hey, you guys, happy hump day. We made it to the halfway mark for the week. So this week we'll be focusing on ratio. So today we're doing ratio and rates word problems. So it's about 8 problems that I did, and I'm going to go over how I did each one of them, okay? So the first question asks, Bob has 12 red cards and 20 green cards. What is the ratio of Bob's red cards to his green cards? So as you can tell, I'm underlining it now. So he had 12 red cards and 20 green cards. I just made that into a fraction. So I did 12 over 20. And for me, you can just put in a calculator as 12 over 20 and it'll give you 3/5. But if you don't have a calculator and you have a test and it's not giving you, you won't let you use the calculator on that particular part. I just go by, I do half of each number first. So half of 12 is 6, half of 20 is 10. And then it'll be easy for you to figure out how you got that 3/5. So 2 goes in, so obviously 6 and 10 can be reduced even more because 2 can go in both of those numbers. So I did 2 go into 3, 2 go into 6, and it's 3, and then 2 go into 10, 5 times. So your answer for number 1 is 3/5. Okay? Number 2, it says, in a party, 10 soft drinks are required for every 12 guests. If there are 252 guests, how many soft drinks is required? So first thing that I did, it says in a party, 10 soft drinks are required for every 12 guests. So what I did was I divided, I know that 12 guests into 252. So I did 252 divided into 12. Or 12 divided into 252, and then I got 21. So then I said 21 times 10 because it's 12 people for 21 times. So I did 21 times 10 because it says 10 soft drinks are required for every 12 guests. So I did 21 times 10, and it gave me 210. So how many soft drinks are required for the guests? So 252, and it's 210. Okay. So number 3. It says, in Jake's class, 18 of the students are tall and 10 are short. In Michael's class, 54 students are tall and 30 students are short. Which class has a higher ratio of tall to short students? Okay, so I did 18 and 10 over 10. I just wrote it as a fraction. And so if I reduce that 18 and 10, it reduced to 9 and 5 because half of 18 is 9 and half of 10 is 5. And 54 and 30, half of 54 is 27 and half of 30 is 15. And it gives you 1 and 4/5. But it's the same as 9 over 5. I'm going to show you how. So 5 times, so when you have a number like this, a mixed number, and you have to make it into an improper fraction, like 9 over 5, which is an improper fraction, you have to multiply the whole number times the denominator. And 5 times 1 is 5, and then plus the numerator, which is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and you keep your denominator. So both are 9 over 5. So they're both 9 to 5. So it says which class has a higher ratio of tall to short students? Well, they both have a ratio of 9 to 5, so neither one is both. And number 4, it says the price of 3 apples at the quick market is 1.44, so $1.44, and the price of 5 of the same apples at Walmart is $2.50. Which place is better to buy apples? So I did $1.44 divided into 3, and I got 48 cents. So it's 48 cents per apple at Quick Market. And then I did $2.50 divided into 5, and it is 50 cents per apple. So which one had the cheapest rate? And it was Quick Market. So Quick Market, you can get an apple at Quick Market for 48 cents per apple, but at Walmart it's 50 cents per apple. So it's 2 cent difference. All right, number 5, it says the bakers at a bakery can make 160 bagels in 4 hours. How many bagels can they bake in 16 hours, and what is the rate per hour? So I did 160 times 40, 160 times 4, I'm sorry, 160 times 4, and that gives me 640. Okay, and then so it says how many bagels they can bake in 16 hours, 640. And then it says the next part, it says what is the rate per hour. So I did 160 divided into 4, and it's 40 per hour. Okay, the next question, it says you can buy 5 cans of green beans at a supermarket for $3.40. How much does it cost to buy 35 cans of green beans? So first thing first, I had to do 3.40 divided into 5, and it's 68 cents. So if it's 68 cents per can, I had to do 68 times 35 to figure out how much it would be for that 35. How much does it cost to buy 35 cans? And it costs 23.80 cents. So I did 0.68 times 35, and it gave me a total of 23.80. Okay. Number 7, it says the ratio of boys to girls in a class of 2 to 3. If there are 18 boys in the class, how many girls are there in that class? So it says 2 to 3 ratio. So if there are 18 boys in class, how many girls are in that class? And for number 7, I got 27. I got 18 boys, obviously, and then it's 27 girls that are in that class. And the ratio for boys to girls, put it in a calculator. 2 divided into 3. It gives you 66%. So I played around with the numbers, and if I do 18 divided into 27, I get the same percent. So I know that works because it says 2 to 3 ratio, and 18 to 27, that's a 2 to 3 ratio. So sometimes if you want to check it like that, you can. So number 8, I kind of did the same way. You can tell I kind of wrote it out right there. But the question asked, it says the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles in a bag is 3 to 4. If there are 42 marbles in the bag, how many of the marbles are red? So it says 3 to 4, and it's not I got to get to 42 marbles. So I just did 3 to 4. I know they had 3 to 4 up there, so I did 3 to 4, and I added, and then I got there. I did a few, and it says 15 to 20, 15 plus 20. So here, 5 gave me 15. 3 plus 3, 5 times gave me 15, and then 4, 5 times gave me 20, and 15 plus 20 is 35. So I knew I had to get to 42, and I just put it in one more time, 3 one more time, or 4 one more time, and it gave me 18 to 24, and I got 42. So sometimes you just have to play around with it. I played around with it a little bit, and I got the answer 18-24 ratio. So hopefully this helps with the ratio and rates word problems, because you guys, there will be word problems just like this on the test, and hopefully this is very helpful for you guys, and I explain it that so you guys can be able to understand it. And so I got this worksheet off effortlessmath.com. So you're interested in other worksheets, I'll continue to do a lot of worksheets from off that, but this worksheet is on there. So if you guys have any questions about this, just let me know. But I hope this helped you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe. Talk to you later. Bye.